In this video, I'll show you how to relocate your electronic module to install your Taco Tunes subwoofer. First, pull the C panel outward to unlock it, then gently pull it forward. Use a 10mm socket to remove the nut. Unclip the cable lock with a panel removal tool. Next, flip the electronic module upside down and mount it in its new position as shown here in the video. Secure the module using the 10mm nut and then tighten with a socket. Put your C panel back into its original position.
Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, all of the social medias, as well as subscribe to us on YouTube because I'm going to be showing you how to do a complete audio upgrade in your 2024 and up Toyota Tacoma, whether it has JBL, non-JBL, is a hybrid, or a non-hybrid.